Blush in the 70s was simple. Think about stripes along the cheeks. Eyeshadow was also simpler, even disco makeup. It was basically a wash of one shimmery color. For disco, it was a vibrant, shimmery, even a glitter. Eye makeup was really well blended in the 70s. A white shimmery highlight was placed under the brow, and in fact, this was the era that this concept was born. I added the deeper color on the outer corner for depth, but this wasn't traditionally done in the 70s. Brows were thinner, remember that, and more curved in shape. It was popular to apply a heavy liner under the lash line. I wanted a brighter purple, so I dabbed on some Groovin' Grape. Ah yes, false eyelashes. Go big.